Open Nova LCT. Click on Media Player Login in the User section. Select your device and click Connect System. Enter your username and password. Click OK. Open Screen Configuration. Click Next. Open Screen Connection. Set the width and height of your receiving card, as well as the number of rows and columns for basic information. Then click Reset All. Choose the appropriate fast connection method. Click Complex Screen. Scaling the interface to fit the operation. Move the split screens one by one until they overlap in the correct position. This list displays the coordinate information for each split screen. Click Send to HW.